Well, hello, friends. Today we are diving into something you use every single second of your life, but probably never think about: your muscles. And I promise you, by the end of this video, you will never flex again without feeling slightly disturbed. Fact number 1. Your muscles never actually push anything, ever. Every single muscle in your body can only pull, never push. So when you think you are pushing a door open, every muscle involved is actually pulling a bone in a specific direction. Your body has zero ability to push. It is all an illusion. Fact number 2. You have a muscle in your ear called the stapedius. It is the smallest muscle in your entire body, about 1 millimeter long. Its entire job is to protect your hearing by dampening loud sounds. It is smaller than a grain of rice, and it has been quietly saving your hearing your whole life without you ever knowing it existed. Fact number 3. The strongest muscle in your body relative to its size is not your bicep, not your leg, not your back. It is your jaw muscle, the masseter. It can generate a biting force of up to 200 pounds per square inch. If your jaw were the size of your thigh, it could bite through steel. Fact number 4. Your heart is a muscle, but unlike every other muscle in your body, it cannot get tired. Every other muscle you have will eventually fatigue and give out. Your heart just keeps going. It has its own built-in electrical system that keeps it contracting independently, and it will do this roughly 3 billion times over the course of your life without ever taking a break. Fact number 5. Muscles do not actually grow during exercise. They grow while you sleep. When you work out, you are literally tearing your muscle fibers apart at a microscopic level. Then, while you sleep, your body repairs those tears and makes them slightly thicker and stronger than before. Every gym session is just controlled damage. Sleep is where the actual magic happens. Fact number 6. You are burning muscle right now just by sitting still. Your body is constantly breaking down muscle tissue and rebuilding it in a process called protein turnover. If you do not eat enough protein, your body will start dismantling your muscles to use as fuel for other organs. Your muscles are basically being eaten and rebuilt every single day, whether you like it or not. Fact number 7. Goosebumps are caused by muscles. Tiny muscles attached to each individual hair follicle called erector pili muscles contract when you are cold or scared, pulling the hair upright and creating that bumpy effect. These muscles are a leftover from our ancestors who had much more body hair. Back then, raising the hair made them look bigger to predators. Now it just makes us look chilly. Fact number 8. You cannot voluntarily control most of your muscles. You have 3 types of muscle in your body: skeletal muscle, which you control; cardiac muscle in your heart, which you cannot control; and smooth muscle, which lines your organs, blood vessels, and digestive system, and which also runs completely on autopilot. Right now, smooth muscle is pushing food through your intestines, controlling your blood vessel width, and adjusting your pupils, all without you doing a single thing. Fact number 9. Muscles have memory. Not the kind stored in your brain, but a physical memory built into the muscle cells themselves. When you learn a physical skill like riding a bike or typing, the neural pathways and muscle fiber patterns get locked in. And even more fascinating, if you lose muscle mass and then retrain, you rebuild it dramatically faster than someone training for the first time. Your muscles literally remember being bigger. Fact number 10. When you die, your muscles lock completely rigid in a process called rigor mortis. This happens because muscle contraction requires a molecule called ATP for energy. The moment you die, ATP production stops. Without ATP, the muscle fibers cannot release their grip on each other. They lock in place. Every muscle in your body seizes simultaneously. It lasts between 1 and 4 days before the muscle tissue breaks down enough to relax again. So the last thing your muscles ever do is hold on as tight as they possibly can. Your muscles pull, but never push. Your jaw could bite through steel. Your heart never gets tired. Your muscles grow while you sleep, get eaten while you sit, give you goosebumps as a leftover from your furry ancestors, run mostly on autopilot, remember being stronger, and when you die, they lock in one final grip. You are basically a walking bundle of controlled chaos. And we would not have it any other way. Subscribe for more weird biology, and we will see you in the next one.